Hi friends, welcome back to Simple and Remedies, and today I will show the recipe of coconut burfi. Grinded coconut 2 cups. If you want pure white color burfi, peel the brown layer of coconut pieces and grind it. Sugar 1.5 cups. Some dry fruits, it's completely optional. Fry the grinded coconut for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, add sugar, mix well and add half cup water. Cook for 28 to 30 minutes on medium flame. Don't burn it. If you like elaichi flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to it. It's done. Switch off the flame and immediately transfer this mixture into greased plate or butter paper and spread evenly. Let it cool down for 6 to 7 minutes and cut into desired shapes. If you want, you can garnish with dry fruits and enjoy. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.